When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job well. And when they write to tell us they're impressed with our 5-star service, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoy this fantastic review. This is one of my favourite reviews. We do our best to listen carefully to everyone's needs, providing the highest quality and service possible. It's great to see that our hard work is paying off every single day. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in return, we receive incredible loyalty. Experience our service and you'll be amazed. We want to thank you for checking us out today. Contact us anytime. We hope to hear from you soon.